With the support of IFC, we can be supported with credit from loan facilities. But more importantly is trade facilitation because of their presence in so many countries. So trade finance is an area they can really enhance by confirming our LCs around the world, increasing our credit limits globally, such that our correspondent relationship can be enhanced by the presence of IFC.
And that way we can help to ensure that we're not just, the plan is not static, and we're also bringing in new ideas that can help to grow Africa. As Dr. Mwangi said, we really want Africa to be grown by Africans. And this is a way to then bring in things that maybe we're not looking at yet in Africa to develop that.